Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you our custom Chrome extension that auto-replies to YouTube comments using AI. Let me show you how it works. First, click on our extension icon up here in the toolbar. A pop-up will appear with all our settings. Now, the most important part. We need to enter a guide prompt for our AI agent. This tells the AI how to respond to comments. As you can see in the video, I'm typing something like reply in a friendly, helpful tone. Keep responses under 50 words and always thank commenters. Once you're happy with your prompt, click Save. Next, let's set the auto-reply time. This gives us a buffer to review, edit, or regenerate responses before they're posted. I'm setting it to 10 seconds. That's enough time to catch any issues. You can also toggle these options to automatically like and heart comments after replying. This adds a nice personal touch. Let me enable both of these and hit Save again. Now, I'm using the lifetime free plan here, which runs on Localhost. Perfect for personal use. All setup steps are included in the documentation. But if you need more features or commercial use, our premium plans start at only $200 USD. WhatsApp us at the number shown on screen to get plan information or raise any queries. You can also email us at hello@TechAnatix.com. All right, let's click Start Reply and watch the magic happen. See? Our extension is now replying to comments one by one. Each response is generated based on our guide prompt. And look, if I don't like a response, I can regenerate it on the fly. I can also stop the process anytime or manually edit any generated reply before it posts. And there you have it, an AI-powered comment reply system with a free plan to get started. Contact details are in the description. WhatsApp or email us for any questions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.